Hey guys, welcome to my channel Coding Tricks, and in this session we will discuss what is the Power Apps collection and in its syntax, and also we will see like how to use clear and clear collect function in the Power Apps, and how to create collection on button click and display collection item in the Power Apps gallery control. And in the previous session we had learned about the collection function in the Power Apps. So if you want to learn more about the Power Apps collect function, then please watch my previous videos. And before starting the practical, I would like to short introduction about the collection. So the collection means a group of items or an array, and a Power Apps collection means it is an array that help to store the data in Power Apps memory. That later you can use that stored data in many ways, like if you want to use that data in a gallery, or if you want to use that data in a drop down, or in a forms view, so easily you can use everywhere you want to use that data. Okay, and also you can save the data in a Power Apps collection to any data source like a SharePoint online list, SQL database, and Excel spreadsheet, and etc. So, as we discussed in our previous sessions, what is the Power Apps collection and how to create the Power Apps collection using the collect method. But you may think that if we use the collect method to create the collection, then again, what is the need of the clear collect method in the Power Apps? So the answer is the Power Apps collect method is used to creating the collections that will store our desired data, whereas the Power Apps clear collect method is used to delete the existing item from the collection and add the new item to the same collection. In a simple way, the clear collect method will remove the previously added record, means existing record, and then it will add a new record in a collection. However, the collect method will not remove the existing record from the collection. It will add a new record with the existing data. So, and also with the help of clear collect method, we can do two operations at a single time. First is we can clear the existing record from the collections, and then we can add, and the point number two, we can add the new record as the same time, same collection. And also, to perform with the clear collect method, what we need to do, we will add a few input controls in our screen, and then we will see how we can create the clear collect method in our apps. So let's try. So for creating the input control, what we will do, we will copy all the previously created inputs, like here you can see in the screen, like employee name, employee id, employee role, and employee address. So let's copy all these controls. Control C, and then Control V. Yeah, so here you can see our controls has been created. So let's try to create the clear collect function, on the on select property of the submit button. So let's change the submit button name from submit to clear collect. It will easy to understand. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. So select the clear collect submit button and go to its on select on start property. Go to its on start property. So you can search here. Sorry, not on start, on select property. Yeah. So here, what you can do, you need to write the function name, which is clear collect, and then you need to provide the collection name, employee data, and then you need to provide the uh, column names and its value as well. So column name is emp name 1, and the value is txt, not text, txt emp name underscore 1 dot text empid 1 txt empid underscore 1, and then emp role 1, then ddl emp role underscore 1 dot selected dot value, and then emp address 1 txt emp address underscore 1 dot text parenthesis close. Yeah. So here you can see I have created I have used the clear collect function, and inside the clear collect function I have provided the collection name, which is employee data, and its column name and value. The column name is employee name 1, and its value is txt employee underscore 1 dot text emp id 1. Its value is the text box name. Its value would be the text box name, which is uh, txt emp id 1 dot text. Yeah, dot text, and then you can see I have created one more column, which is employee role. So the column name is employee role 1, and its value is ddl. It would be drop down. So here you can see the drop down name is ddl emp role underscore 1 dot selected dot value, and in the last I have created one more column, which is employee address 1. So its value is txt emp address 1 dot text. So here you can see I have created a 4 column, which is employee name, employee id, employee role, and employee address. So I have created all the 4 columns, and also I have provided all its 4 values. Okay, here you can see I have created the drop down value for the employee role. So let's try. I'm going to create the collection. So for creating the collection, so I'm going to click on this submit clear collect submit button. So let's try. Yeah, I have clicked this button. So let me check our collection has been created or not. So our collection name is uh, employee data. So let's see. Go to the collection section, and here you can see the employee data. Yeah, so here you can see our collection has been created with the empty record. So it means our code is working. So let's try with the data. Yep, employee name is Daniel, employee ID is 112233, the role is tester, employee address is New York. Okay, and click on the submit button and let's see collection has been created or not. Go to the collection, click on the employee data, and here you can see one record has been created in the employee data collection, but if you notice, the previous record has been deleted from the collection. In previously you can see one record has added one empty record had added in the collection, but right now you can see there is no any empty record are available. So if you want to see the example, like if you want to see the benefit of this clear collect method, so let's try. I'm going to one more record. Here you can see the current record is added by which employee name is Daniel, employee ID is 1122333, and employee role is tester. And I'm going to create a one new record. So let's try from Daniel to uh, Chris. Okay, and employee ID is 00002211. Okay, so when you will click on this and the role is lead, and now when you will click on this submit button, then you will see in the collection the previous record which you have added, which name is Daniel, will get removed, and this record will get automatically added in the collection. Only single record will get added in the collection. Here you can see, you will see, sorry. So let's click on this submit button, go to the collection, select collection, go to the employee data. Yeah, here you can see the previous record has been deleted and new record has been added, which name is Chris. Employee ID is 4 times 011, and the employee role is lead. So here you can see, but if in case you will create any new record in the collect method, using the collect method, so it will not remove the previous record, it will add a new record with the existing record. For example, in this button I'm creating, I'm using the collect function. Okay, and inside the collect function I have created 4 columns, which is employee name, employee ID, employee role, and employee address. So let's try with the collect method. Then you will understand what is the difference between collect and clear collect method. So let's try to create. So before creating the item, we need to see we need to see the clear collect. Sorry, we need to see the collect collection data. So go to the collection, select the employee details, and here you can see there is no data available in the employee details. So let's create any new record. Okay, employee name is XYZ, and the employee ID is 5566. The role is tester, employee address is USA. Click on the submit button, and one more record I would like to add, Andrew. Change the employee ID, which is 990088. Manager UK, click on the submit button. Okay, so here you can see, one second, go to the collection, select the employee details. Yeah, so here you can see I have added two record, and two record in the using the collect function. So you can see here you can see both two records are available in the collection. Okay, so I would like to say, like, if you will create any record using the clear collect method, so what it will do, it will create the previously added record in the database and then add a new record. However, if you will create any new record, if you use the collect function in the Power Apps, then what it will do, it will add a new record with the existing record. Okay, so there is a big difference between collect and clear collect function in the Power Apps. So suppose, in case if you want to clear the collect function record, collect collection record, so what you need to do, you need to use the clear function. So using the clear function, we can clear the collection record which you have added using collect method. So let's try, create the button here, change the name from button to clear, and here what you need to do, you need to use clear function, and inside that you need to provide the collection name, which is employee details. Let's try. I'm going to click on the clear button. So here you can see, once I have clicked this clear button, so our record has been automatically removed from the collection. So let's see, go to the collection and click on the employee detail. Here you can see there is no record are available in the employee detail collection. Okay, and one more thing I would like to, so these are the difference between clear collect and clear function. So before closing the session, I would like to know you about the limitations. I would like to know about the limitations of the collection in the Power Apps. So in the Power Apps, there is a creation limit of the item in every data source like SharePoint, OneDrive, Common Data Services, and etc. And you can only add 500 items from the data source, but not more than that. If you will add more than 500, then Power Apps will won't allow adding the data. Okay, so if you want to add more than 500 record, then you need to you can achieve this kind of functionality, but you need to go to the setting, and you need to go to the advanced setting option and set the non-delegable query as you can set the non-delegable query from 500 to 2000, but you can only add the data till 2000 record. You cannot exceed more than 2000. So these all about the Power Apps collection functionality. So thank you so much for watching this video, and if you are keen to learn more about the Power Apps, then do subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so that you will get the notification whenever I upload a new video for Power Apps. So thanks again, and see you in the next session. Bye bye.